Hey, here's a short quick video on how to check your air filter on your Polaris SPORTSMAN 850. This one right here is a 2021 Ultimate Trail Sportsman. Air filter is located right under here. So your step one is going to be removing your seat, which is fairly simple. You got a little clip under here. You go right here, lift up on it a little bit until the seat comes up like that. And then you just simply yank. It's a little difficult, especially when the seats are new, but a little yank up, and the seat will come right up, as so. And you can slide the seat out. It's just slid in there, held in by a little anchor right over there. And then you have access to your air filter. Air filter is right over here. So all you got to do next is take off this cover. Take off that cover is fairly simple. You have this little rubber bungee cord tab thing right over here. Lift that up, and then you just pull up on this cover. And the cover slides right out. The air filter is just a press fit filter, so it'll slide right out. You can see there's no clamps or anything on there. You could check it. You have the little water cover on there. Polaris told me they recommend replacing the water cover when it gets dirty. The filter lasts a long time because of that cover. And then when you look in there, you can see it just kind of rests in that hole. So it's all a press fit. Not the best fit, but it works for quick changes and quick checks. Put it back on, you reverse it. So I'm just gonna center it out. Squeeze it in. You'll feel it gonna go in place. It'll stay like that. Put the two tabs of the cover back on. So it's easier with two hands, by the way. There you go. You line up the circle of the filter with the cover. Put the bungee cord back on. You're gonna slide the seat, the front of the seat in first, so that dowel is gonna slide into this area. As such, push it up all the way, and then this is clips right back down. This is the clip right here, by the way. That's the clip mechanism. And the two little grommets that the seat goes onto. And that's it. So you check your filter really quickly in about 2 minutes and change it as well if necessary. Thank you for watching. If there's any other questions or any videos you want me to make on this vehicle, let me know. Until next time, peace.